Hello, welcome to IMA. Want to work smarter every day? Learn to use ChatGPT for everyday work. Emails, reports, meeting notes, and more. Write professional emails fast. Summarize long messages. Plan your tasks and meetings. Improve your English. Prepare for job interviews. Build a strong resume. Learn to use programming code like Java, C#, Python, and more. ChatGPT gives answers instantly. Simple, clear, and correct. Must I pay? Yes. Expensive? No. Limited time? No. One-time payment, lifetime access. All videos in simple English with Indian Sign Language support. Easy to learn, useful every day. Start now. Be smart. Use ChatGPT for work and life. Thank you.